Hello there, this is Muktadi, IELTS instructor at English Fantasy. In this video, we will discuss about the most complicated topic, true, false and not given, and it is the most controversial topic actually. We have an example and we will discuss about true, false, not given, how they actually make it a true, false and not given. Here is our question is after 1740, there was a reduction in population in Britain. If you go to the passage and find that there is standing the same thing, just in after, they just say that before. What the answer will be? Definitely you are thinking that it will be false, because after, before. This is not like that. In this question, answer should not be false, because you can judge after 1740 with before. In before, a lot of things should be happened. The reduction should also be happen, or the reduction would not be happen. We don't know actually what would be. So the answer should be not given. This is how they trap you and you just fall into it. And after that, we will discuss about that reduction. This is the main point in this example. If the reduction was like increase, in that point it should be false. And after that, there is a similar thing. If all of the words will be same, but in Britain they talk about that in England, what the answer will be? Definitely you are thinking that it is not correct, but Britain and England is the similar thing. So it is the actually most complicated thing, and the answer will be true. This is how they trap you, and in one example we found true, false and not given, how they actually make it. These are the sequence. If you maintain some rules and regulations and be conscious about the topic and the main point, you can easily capture how they actually are going to trap you, so that you can easily understand it. So in reading part, especially on true, false, not given, you have to answer question with total understanding. Without understanding the main point, you can't actually capture what they are going to talk. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.